So now we want to work with how to display the image in our template XML publisher. So here first of all we want to develop a query. Based on that query we are going to display the images. Better to develop master detail report. Okay. It's a new version. E dot job, E dot salary, D dot D number, then D dot D name. I want to display this 6 fields. Then now I want to retrieve the all data from department. Now we retrieve the 15 records. Okay. Then here we copy this data and go to open the report builder. Build the new report manually. Replace the query. So now we variate the master records, master columns. Next we save this report as RDF. Then here X logo. My report name is X logo. Once we save the report, then we need to transfer the file from local machine to server machine. So here we transfer the file into specific top version. Then here we have the reports. Then here we want to transfer our file. Now our file is available in server machine. Then we need to register in Oracle applications. So go to operations, next welcome, choose the application developer and log into Oracle applications. So here we change the responsibility to system administrator, the concurrent program executable. So here we can give our logo and X logo, shortening and purchasing and X logo. Save the records. Once it is completed, next we want to go to define the concurrent program. So XML program. X logo, shortening and purchasing X logo. Then here we change it to XML. Next A4. Once it is completed, save the records. Next we attach this program to request group. VP9 request group. So here we specify our program name. Save the records. Next, go to specific responsibility. Submit the program from SRS window. Submit, no, find. So here it is generate the tags. Based on the tags, we are going to upload into the MS Word and design the layout. Now we generate the output. So we have 4 departments. That 4 departments is generated the output. Next we save as a X logo XML. Once it is finished, we close this one and open the MS Word, load the data, add-ins, load the data. So here we load our data, right? Now we can insert the all fields. There. Once the data is inserted, now we are going to design the layout manual option. Then here go to insert. We have 4 columns and 4 rows, 4 records, department name and department number. Okay. So now I want to specify this one. Control C, Control V. DPT number, then next department name. So next employee number, employee name, job and salary. So here we should display the DPT number here and the D name here and the employee details. If you want to highlight the colors, then we can highlight it. Then once it is completed, now we are going to validate the template. So here we should save with RTF. So we don't have any errors. We are able to run the report. So here this is our output. Okay. So once our output is generated successfully, now we remove these fields. Okay. Then also I want to generate the department. Yeah, first of all we want to display the template, means logo, right? Here how we are going to display the logo in our respected output. So in this point of time, first of all we want to choose the some logos from the net. So we have several logos are there, right? So now I want to copy this logo. Logo 1. Dot jpg. Save this, and again I want to copy. Yeah, first of all we want to print that logo. There's the logo. Copy this, paste here. So this is our logo, right? Here observe this one. Now we are going to specify this logo. We are going to apply some condition. Okay, tag. Based on the tag we can call this logo. Okay. So here what is the logo means tag is, then here we want to assign a name for this logo. Okay. The name is template. What is the template name is logo 1. Okay. Or else image. My template name is image, means then now we close it. Okay. Once it is completed, next we are going to end template. End the template, right? So where you want to print this template? Okay, I want to print this template here. Okay. So here how we can go to give that? Then in this point of time, so call image. Okay, call the respected template name. My template name is image. Just we can go to call that, and now we can validate it. No. Yeah. Now call image and let us check it. Our template name is image. All of you clear on this? Okay, don't take the template name. We are assign the name. That name we can call from the anywhere. Okay, then automatically it will print it. All of you clear or not? So very simple. Listen carefully. First we are going to define the template. So this is the, what is this? Template name, not image. Template name. Okay, suppose say example here ABC. This is the template name. Okay, so many people is going to treat as a this is the name, right? Okay, don't consider logo 1. Logo 1 is the name of the template. Okay, that does not consider by the system. Okay, here whenever we want to assign that logo, here we are going to specify one another name. This is our name. Okay, nothing but a pet name. Okay, nothing but a pet name, right? So now we are going to call which name? Not image. ABC. ABC. That is our image name, right? Now we validate it. We don't have any errors and run it. Yeah, it is a static one. It is not a dynamic. Dynamic is different. I will explain to you. Clear, all of you? So now my requirement, it is a simple one. Directly we can call the respected template. But my requirement is I want to change the department. So here the respected, I want to display the output in multiple pages. So whenever deputy number it changes, then automatically the next department is coming to the next page. So how we can do that? We can apply the page break. We can apply the page break, means a split by page break. So here just I want to copy that. Okay, here this is the employee. This is for employee, and in the same manner we want to use the department. So here I want to apply the department. Yeah. Before department, we want to apply the split by page break. Directly also we can specify, we don't get any problem. Directly tag also we can assign, but better to go for form field method. So here we can specify the split by page break column. So this is our F loop, and yeah. So here we can specify that. Okay, that. Now let us check it whether it is generate the proper output or not. We don't have any errors, and run it. That. So 10th department, what happened? So 20th department. So 40th department is coming to the second place. Maybe it is not followed by the order. Okay, it is not a problem. But what is that? What is that? For the department number should be given after or after. This one? No, last and envelope for department number. After this is for a department envelope after or after. This one? After that no need to require. Okay, it is a different. So here we want to close it. Okay, so it is entirely different than. I want to call that template. Okay, so here it doesn't display in our output, right? Whenever we are able to see the view, observe this one. We don't have any errors, and maybe it is not followed by the sequence 10, 20, 30, 40, but the respected output is splitted by the next wedge. Then here it is a 10th department. It is a 40th department. That is the difference only. And the next 20th department and 30th department. Observe this one. End of the page we don't display the respected template, which is we defined hierarchical image, right? That is the reason. Maybe it is not followed by the sequence, not a problem. Once we are going to adjust in our query level, automatically it will come. What is that? Each and every page. Each and every page. Then here I thought, yes, one second. This respected syntax. No. So we have a header. Okay, we have a header. In that header we can choose that and will be specify that. Right? Now we can validate. and review. No, it is not reflected in a header section, but definitely it is working. We have some specific syntaxes is there. Okay, then we want to call here after the loop. Let it be check it. Okay, then so for every page it is repeated. Okay, so that is our requirement. Next, my requirement is here. My requirement is whenever department is changes, the logo automatically changed. Are we clear on that? Whenever department is changed, then automatically logo is changed. Okay, 10th department, one logo. 20th department, another logo. 3rd department, another logo. This is my requirement. Whenever department is going to change to the new department, automatically logo is also changed. So because of in real life, in real time, one client have multiple businesses. Suppose I am one of the client, I have the training center. At the same time, I have the consultancy. At the same time, I have the outsourcing. At the same time, I have the some other business. Okay, general businesses. I have the some juice point. I have some travels. Then each and every client have the multiple business. So we cannot possible to display the same image into the each and every business. Suppose it travels, it is a different image, and juice point, it is a different image, and software industry, it is a different image. So each and every business have the different images. Okay, so that is the reason here my requirement is I want to display the images in different way. So how we can go to display that? So first of all of you clear on this? Yes, sir. How to display the image? Right. Then now we can go to display the images. Copy the different logos from net and we'll be going to call one by one. So go to call this second image, save image as logo 2. So total we have 3 departments, sorry 4 departments, right? And this is another. Okay. 3 images and is so right now we have 4 images, right? Just we copy this images and will be pasting here. Then just we are going to reduce the size. So let us here observe this one. We have 4 logos, right? So first, this is the first logo, and here I am going to specify logo 1. Okay, then the same manner we can specify logo 2. And here we want to specify the end template. Next we want to go to template logo 3. And template. So then last one is template logo 4. And template. Okay, so right now we have 4 logos. Each and every logo we can specify as a template. Now we can go to call these logos in our loop, within the loop. So here I want to call them if DEPT number, okay, DEPT number equal to 10. If DEPT number equal to 10, then we want to call the which logo? Logo 1, right? Then next end if. Okay, in the same manner we want to specify these logos. Yeah, I want to change it. Then logo 1 and 20th department, logo 2 and 30th department, logo 3 and 40th department, logo 4. Right? No need to require. No need to require. It is directly recognized. Let it be check it. If it is not recognized, then we are going to assign the colon. So we are getting the error. Then here we want to specify that colon. So first of all, we want to check it one logo, then automatically it is working for all logos. Now we don't have any errors, and let it run it. So it is a 10th department, first logo, 20th department, 40th department, last logo, right? 30th department, okay, sorry, 20th department and 30th department. Clear? So it's a very important question. Okay, definitely the people is asking this question. So this is my requirement. I want to display the image with different departments. So how can you achieve the requirement while using if condition? First of all, we can specify the all logos, and we can specify the each and every logo name, and next we are going to run it. Clear? So we are going to working with the logos, and we have another topic. So the topic means, so this is a static. This is the static, and then next class we want to work with the how to display the image dynamic. dynamically. In real time, this is the real time component. How to display the image dynamically. Okay, so we have a simple logic. So for that also I want to explain one component, and we'll be going to work with the dynamic image. Okay, fine. Clear all of you? Yeah.